Hi everybody, my name is Scott Walls. For over 25 years, I've deployed ERP applications for some of the world's largest organizations. During that time, I've taught thousands of people just like you how to discover, use, deploy, and support Oracle's back office applications. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you about the differences between SKUs and bundles as defined by Oracle in relation to its cloud applications. Please note that this lesson is part of the Oracle Cloud Explore course. But before we get started, did you know that you could earn free badges for display on your LinkedIn profile just by watching videos like this one? You can. Stay until the end of this video and I'll show you how. Okay, so let's get started. Key topics for this quick lesson are as follows. What is an Oracle Cloud SKU? What is an Oracle Cloud Bundle? Why does this matter? And finally, what to watch for when switching from SKUs to bundles. First up, what is an Oracle Cloud SKU? So SKUs are really like application level units. SKU is a stock keeping unit is what it stands for, but it's how Oracle charges for different applications. It's not as simple as, oh, there's requisitions, it's the requisition application. Oftentimes what you see in the application here, for example, recs, agreements, orders, receipts are bundled into a SKU called Self-Service Procurement Cloud. 2. What are Oracle Cloud Bundles? Bundles are an effort to alias the level of abstraction up. So now you're getting all of these related applications to do a functional area like procurement. And they're oftentimes akin to what we call, or what Oracle calls, offerings. If you need more information about how offerings play into pillars, play into functional areas, then you want to watch our application organization video. Suffice to say that bundles are offering level units, and this is largely a function of how sales views the products or services that it sells. Next up, why does this matter? Well, it matters because all of these applications are provisioned by Oracle into your virtual private cloud. And it does make it in some ways easier to understand, charge, manage the different applications if they're not at such a granular level. Anything more than that, you'd have to ask Oracle. And then finally, what to watch out for. So look. If you're going to switch from SKUs to bundles, one of the important things that changes is your VPC address. So if you have external applications that are interfacing with Oracle Cloud, then they might be affected, or if there's outbound integrations as well. Okay, so you should now understand the difference between SKUs and bundles, why this matters, and what to watch out for when switching from one to the other. That's it for the end of this presentation, but hopefully just the beginning of your learning journey. There are thousands of free videos just like this one. Remember, better content, better skills, better income, better life. We want to help you get 1% better every day. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Okay. As promised, here are the 5 steps you can perform today to start earning free badges for your LinkedIn profile. Step 1, navigate to Panomere.com and either sign in or join now. It's free. Step 2, in the upper left, under the Discover menu, select the course that you want to watch and get badged for. Step 3, watch all of the different video lessons in that course. Step 4, when it's complete, send your LinkedIn profile and the course you watched and your user ID to badges@panomere.com. And then sit back and wait for step 5 when we attach a badge to your LinkedIn profile.